So how can you know if your iPhone screen has been replaced? Let me show you how it works and how it looks in your settings. So if you're new on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss videos like this one. Anyways, I'm gonna bring in an iPhone where I just did the screen replacement. You can see that this is what it would look like, and you can open up the settings app of that phone, go to the general section and tap on about. And if the change has happened to the display, for example, I can go to the parts and service history, and it tells me that the service history has been done. I mean, it might be fine, like even if the screen got replaced officially, you would probably see it in here as well. But the point is that the display has been marked as unknown, which upon clicking on it tells me that it is an unknown part and it has been unable to determine if the display is a genuine Apple part, which I know it was not because I just replaced it that way. I had it replaced by not like the official original display from Apple. So it is working fine or whatever, but it's not the official display and I get to see it right away. On my other device where I have only the original parts, nothing has been changed or replaced. Inside of the general and about, I do not have anything like that. I don't even have the section for the parts and a service history. So that's how you can see to make sure that the phone is running the latest version of iOS, so that thing even shows up, right? So make sure the phone is up to date, and if it is, you'll be able to see it in the settings, right, like this, right? So let me know in the comments if the video has helped you out. Hit the thumbs up if it did, and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later.